Here's the core question. What is trademark renewal? I'm Andrei Answers, the founder of Trademark Factory, and here's my answer to this question. When you register a trademark, you don't own it forever. You own it for a certain period of time. But the great thing about it is that with trademarks, unlike any other area of intellectual property, you can renew them forever. You can renew them over and over and over and over and over and over and over again. That renewal happens every 10 years in most countries out there. When you register a trademark, you get the initial term for 10 years, and then just before it expires, you renew it for another 10 years, and then you renew it for another 10 years, and so on. If you don't renew it, then it will be just stricken off the register, and it will be treated as non-existent, inactive trademark. So what is trademark renewal? It's the process that allows you to show to the government that you're still interested in owning that brand. Because the point of trademarks is not for you to just have an eternal right to a word, a phrase, or a logo. It's to give brand owners who are still active, who are still actively selling their products and services under a certain brand, to give them the monopoly over their brand. But if you're no longer in business, there's no reason why others couldn't use a similar brand, right? So there's two ways your trademark protection will terminate. One is when you fail to renew your trademark in time, and second one is when you stop using it and somebody else initiates a cancellation proceeding against you, basically forcing you to prove that you're still in business, that you're still using the brand and have been doing so for the last 3 years. So renewal is one way for the government to see, are you still using that trademark? Because if you're not, you're probably not going to renew this, right? So, and the important thing is they're not going to notify you. It's up to the brand owner to pay attention to when the renewal is due, because again, their goal is to what they call get rid of the dead wood, right? They want to clear the dead wood of all those trademarks that had been registered at some point, but their owners are no longer there, they're no longer interested, and there's no reason to keep those alive. So that's what the process is. I hope you found this video useful, and make sure you like it, make sure you subscribe, make sure you get notified whenever the next video goes live. That's what the bell button is for. And if you've got a question for me, great. Post a comment below and I'll answer your question in a video just like this one. And until then, I will see you in the next video.